If the water pressure is low in the outflow pipe of the filter, then the filter is dirty and will need to be cleaned. The cleaning system used is dependent on the filter system used. A drip system maintenance program should include the use of phosphoric acid, chlorine, and molasses. These treatments are used to remove insoluble precipitates and algal or bacterial growth. A treatment should be applied weekly. Molasses or phosphoric acid should be applied once every 2 weeks, with chlorine applied alternating weeks. To prevent salt accumulation in the growing medium, dilution rate adjustments or periodic flushing with clean water needs to be carried out. Electrical conductivity measurements, or EC measurements, of the leachate from the root zone will determine flushing needs. This leaching of the soil may be as frequent as once a week in areas with severe problems. Proper nutrition is vital to a crop's healthy development. The nutritional requirement of crops grown in a greenhouse is more complex than that of plants grown in an open field. This is especially true of planting systems that don't use soil. Drip systems allow for very accurate delivery and control of nutrients if used and cared for properly. This system can lead to fast growth and optimal development of plants. Having a properly functioning irrigation system is vital to this task. Using the irrigation system in this way is called fertigation. The solution nutrient levels need to be checked daily. One quick method of doing this is an electrical conductivity measurement. Electrical conductivity, or EC, is the measure of a substance's ability to conduct electricity, which in the case of the nutrient solution is a function of the total number of dissolved salts in solution. The higher the EC readings, the higher the dissolved materials in the water. By calibrating out those materials that are not nutrients, EC measurements indicate gross nutrient levels. EC measurements that are very high or very low are both bad for the plant. By comparing the incoming EC measurement of the nutrient solution against the EC measurement of the water leaving the root zone, we can get an idea of how many nutrients have been taken out of the solution by the plant or planting medium. Leaf petiole sap testing and tissue testing check for nitrate-based nitrogen and potassium, and are more direct ways of determining the nutritional status of the plant. Fertilizer mixes are usually prepared beforehand as stock solutions. These concentrated solutions are then fed into the irrigation system and sent to the plants. Usually there are 2 stock solutions prepared. This is to prevent the mixing of incompatible fertilizers that would lead to the precipitation of insoluble salts. Solution A contains calcium nitrate. Solution B contains all other fertilizers. In more advanced fertilizer systems, each fertilizer is diluted in its own tank. The main concern is not to mix calcium nitrate with the other fertilizers, since a combination causes clogging of the emitters. Typically, 1 liter of each concentrated nutrient mix is added to 100 liters of water. Consequences of a poor nutrition program may include yellowed or discolored leaves, damaged or deformed fruits, irregular plant growth, and toxicity reactions. These symptoms are caused by both excesses and deficiencies of nutrients. Identifying the nutritional problems can be difficult, as the symptoms can be caused by a number of factors, some not related to the nutritional program. Trellising maximizes exposure to light and marshals the growth of the plant. This technique